Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope everybody is doing well. We're going to be doing something today interesting using Google NotebookLM. There is significant amount of improvement happening in NotebookLM, so we might have to break it down into two parts. But the first one we will actually create a chatbot that can be shared with anybody, because a lot of time we do a lot of things. People ask us questions and we spend tremendous amount of time responding to those questions. So how do I actually optimize our time? This is the purpose of the AI. So why don't we jump right in and showing it. Again, the objective is we are building a chatbot using Google NotebookLM very quickly so that it can serve or answer all the commonly asked questions or frequently asked questions. Okay, let's jump right in. So first of all, we're going to be using NotebookLM from Google. If you go to notebooklm.google, go to try NotebookLM, and again you will see I have already tried one, but I'm going to show you similar. So now when I go to it, first of all you have to log in using Gmail. So just click on, and if you don't have the login for it, it's free at this moment to use, and you can use up to 300 various sources. So what can you ask a question about? So typically the PDF files or the Google Docs, you can see all these type of files. Those are supported: text file, markdown, audio, docx, AVI, BMP. So the pictures, you can also ask questions. So in my case, because of the fact I might change information in a document, so I'm gonna go to Google Drive and choose one. I've been trying to do it because we are planning to do a hackathon, and I'll show you what it is about, and I'll insert that participants guide. So this is a national Buildathon that we plan to do in Dhaka, Rajshahi, in Bangladesh, various cities, Dhaka, Rajshahi and Sylhet for now, and multiple locations in Dhaka. And this is where people are going to be coming in, building something. So of course people have questions: where is it, how do I do it, and all kind of question like how do you judge, evaluation and such. So why don't I jump right in, go to my drive and show again drive.google.com. I go there. I'm gonna go to recently used because of the fact this is the one that I've been working on building this. So you get to see this question. This is a participant guide, and it talks about the event purpose, and the dates, key dates. Then you have the what time to what time, the logistics and various other things. We're gonna do one in Dhaka. And there will be some regional workshops like Sylhet and Rajshahi, as well as what are the things like what domains that I can create challenges and problems, and submission guidelines. This is the judging submission for judging submission. So we have a lot of those things. All of the details are right here. So again, people are asking questions and they said, okay, I have not seen it, what are the things. So how do you judge, and how do I present that demonstration, and what is the evaluation criteria, weight, points and score, how do I get score, something like that. Okay, that's fantastic. Is that right? It has a lot of details. Again, this is a big document. You can have access to it. We'll give you a link to it in the video. So now that I have uploaded or linked it, if I can make changes, it would actually reflect all these changes. So it already gives you some question: how does this national builder strategically align with academic, government and industry goals? What measurable criteria and innovation expectation? But I might ask a simple question. Let's start with a simple thing like, when will this be happening? So very simple question like, when is it? And again, this is gonna go because in different places that you have this answers. So you ask it simple terms, simple question, it should be able to answer those questions. It's just going to go through it. Again, as you know, this is a normal method of retrieval augmented generation, but it's more of a it's a framework. It's already done for you. It's a very simple thing. So again, anytime we build something, people will be asking multiple questions. We can just really use it and done. So look, it actually combined various things from various places, went through an AI model, responded using AI, summarizing it. The National Buildathon is scheduled to play across several phases beginning 2025, culminating national event in January. Fantastic. It's going to be in Bangladesh Standard Time, and it gives you the sources, like, you know, where did I get these things, okay? And you can see all these various sources. Registration opens December 1. It already opened. Preliminary submission window December 10 to 15, ends 12 p.m. on December 15. Fantastic. Mentoring guidance would be 10 to 20th. Really good. Final project submission deadline is basically December 25 at 12 p.m. Mandatory for award eligibility. So if somebody wants an award, they have to do it on submit it by December 25. 50 shortlist announcement would be done in January 7th. They would be physically participating. So, you know, you get to see all of these things. Where is it happening? Sylhet on January 8th, Rajshahi on 12th. These are the regional ones. And the final one is happening at Daffodil Plaza, Dhaka on January 16th. And this has all the details of it. Fantastic. Now I can ask another question. How would I create an innovative and winning solution? So this is a interesting one because of the fact that I'm asking, really giving me a guidance so that I can win the competition. Is that right? So this is not directly answered, directly projected, but you have given these are judging criteria. These are the areas that you should be looking at, the categories, domains, and the challenges. So this provides a really interesting point of view because I have to ask these questions. Typically, I go on a webinar, and how many webinars you can do? Typically, there are hundreds of people asking questions. How many questions you can answer? So you just give them a very simple thing. Upload this, and let's see what it says. To create an innovative and winning solution at National Buildathon, you must move beyond simple prototyping and deployable, socially relevant, scalable solution. I like it. So this actually tells you what to do, okay? Then the judging rubric, it tells you like this is how you're going to be judged, and you can see the references, how it's going to be judged. And using a meta prompt, meaning that if you want to do an ideation, why don't you use AI? In fact, we encourage using AI for everything. And then the moonshot feature, something leaping, breakthrough, you know, okay, fantastic. So you can see in agri-tech, there is something, health tech, fintech, gives you particular things, and you can go to each one of them and see the details of, you know, where it got that information from. Target specific domain, you must choose one of the 5 domains, because if you don't choose the domains, then you are not judged. Basically, EdTech tells you, give you some guidance basically, and then that makes it easy for you, because otherwise it's a 55-page document. Might have reading it over and over, but you need to get those things. So it says that backend automation, you can leverage different technologies. Also, it actually told you, okay, you can use this retrieval augmented generations. AI architecture should be using RAG and MCP. Of course, we want people to understand the latest technologies as such. So this is fantastic, and this is how you have to submit it. What is the naming convention? Don't miss that naming convention. And then this one of your solution is not as a science fair project, but a startup pitch to national government. So basically, you are giving a nationwide deployable solution, scalable solution, and that is amazing. Is that right? It is not written exactly as such, but it combines all the stuff, giving you that information. Similar to a RAG, it would take you quite a bit of time. Now that I have built it, how do I give other people access to it. So if you come here and make sure that this is a default, you can use the default, you can use learning guide, or you can customize your style. And what kind of response that you would give, you make sure that you pick the right configuration of it, number one. Then you save it. Then the share button, you can see the analytics as well. But here is the thing, the share button. What is the share button? First, you can put in a welcome note. You can say, this is the chat for National Buildathon, Buildathon, okay? Again, if you have any question, answer that one. I'm going to show you one I have built already. Now, who should get access to it? You can actually restrict or anyone with the link. So I create a link. Now, do I give viewers the full notebook access with the source and everything, or I would give it chat only? Viewers cannot access the source or not. They should be simply asking a chat window, either way. And I'm going to preview that one for you. So this is what I can preview. I can ask the question right here. Let's say, when what is the format for Rajshahi, and when is this happening? So I asked the chat, again, this is simple chatbot questions. I'm asking that chat the question. So this is publicly available, meaning that because of the fact I have chosen to make it publicly, anyone who can access, and I'm allowing them to do chat only. And if I save it and copy the link and just give it to people. So let's look at that answer. Based on the participants guide, the event in Russia is regional workshop designed for local participants. Okay, date in Russia will take place January 12th at Warenda University. It's a 4-hour in-person session. Regional local check-in 30 minutes. It tells you all the details of it. Fantastic. So you created that chatbot, you created the public-facing component of it, and then you can copy the link. And typically, if I paste that link is a big link, a long link, is that right? So that's kind of like, oh, okay, how would this is too big. Or even if you put it in the chat, this is also a big link, okay? So then typically what I do, I come to bit.ly, and I shorten that link and I customize that link anyway. So create your bit.ly link and QR code. I already have something created, so I'm going to show you that one. But again, you can type it, create your bit.ly link. It should give you bit.ly and that link. So I created one. It's called bit.ly / BD AI 2026, and that just takes me that chatbot. Welcome to MillionX Buildathon. Chatbot, ask any question you need answer for the event. Join WhatsApp link to communicate, or questions beyond the document. This is the WhatsApp link again. So I provide all those details already, and then I can ask any of the questions. So this makes life super easy. So again, what we have seen today, we have seen how to take a Google Drive, or you can take any PDF, or you can text files, or you can even type information. You can take up to 300 sources and create this notebook. Then you can create a version if you want to give the whole source information, or you just chat only, making it simple and easy for the participants or whoever wants to do that chat conversation, and then publish it. That should give a tremendous amount of efforts. You spend how much time we spend, maybe about 15-20 minutes, and that will save you hours worth of people asking various questions. And even if you answer, sometimes you might forget, so you might give a wrong answer. Come from a single version of truth. So that's it for today. I'm going to build another one to show you few other things that what we can do within that NotebookLM. With that, Assalamu alaikum, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, make something positive. This is an amazing time right now using AI, and you can impact nationally, globally, and of course make yourself significantly better. And I would recommend everybody to watch this channel. We're building small stuff. Subscribe to it, and spread the word. So if anybody else wants to subscribe, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.